Alright, today guys, I'm gonna be trying to fix this problem. If you can see, I don't know why this won't pop back in, but I got the brackets for it. So I'm gonna take this bumper off, and it's actually on both sides. So I'm gonna take the bumper off and replace the brackets, and hopefully this fixes the problem, because it's not really, I mean, it's not coming off anything, but it's just annoying. So, and I'm a little anal. So I'm gonna just replace those, and hopefully they work. So if you have a 2010 and 2018 Taurus, pretty much to take off the bumper, you gotta take this panel off, take all the bolts off. Some bolts down below. Probably get a trim popper to pull those off, and then you just kind of gently just pull it off, so you can see the other side not staying in, which is so fucking annoying. But pretty much probably use just basic tools, basic shit. Alright, as you can see, I got the bumper off. Definitely wasn't hard at all. Just make sure that when you take it off, take these plugs out for the sensor and the light, and make sure you take the bolts out for the inner frame wells, both on each side. But you can't trust parts people, so when I went to grab the part, well, this is the part right here that I'm going to change. Didn't realize that they gave me both the driver's side. They gave me 2-inch driver's side. So I'm like, kind of like, should I just change one now or wait, or just change both? Because I'm not going to this Saturday. They said they're not going to have it till Monday. So you never try to price people, man. They be getting on my nerves, dog. Fuck. But I'm probably just going to change one. I gotta change my my parking light out. Parking light went out and shit, so I gotta take the headlight out anyway. So I guess I'll get that done. Alright, got the bumper back together. On these, I just replaced this side. It seems that I had 2 of them, but you can see it actually sunk in and stay snapped in, as opposed to this side. It keeps coming out. So Monday I'll go back to the dealership and grab that. They were only $15 a piece, so they weren't that expensive. And then I still gotta take the bumper off anyway, because I gotta replace this parking light. Unfortunately, Advanced Auto Parts decided to be closed today. So I gotta replace this parking light, and then I gotta replace this side bracket right here. And then I'll pretty much be done with the bumper. Once I get the intercooler, it's gonna come right back off anyway. So it's gonna be a lot of off and on. But glad that I got a chance to fuck with the bumper. So next time, or the next couple of times that I take it off, it won't be hard at all. It wasn't hard in the first place. Oh shit, I got to reconnect my fog lamps and shit. But remember to reconnect your fog lamps. Yeah, but it wasn't a task at all. Just need a couple tools. Nice tool set like that will suffice. Actually, if you had a ratchet, electric ratchet, that'd probably be a lot better, a lot faster. But yeah, you don't need a lot of tools to do a little body work and shit on this thing. Unfortunately, I don't know why they made it so that you had to take the bumper off to get access to headlight, but whatever. I noticed that's a lot of cars are doing that now. Maybe because they just want everything to come back to the dealership. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Gonna get out of here. You guys have a safe day.